Welcome back, everybody. Thanks for joining us today on Weather Plus. I'm Tony Martin. Time to check out the upper levels of the atmosphere. According to the GFS model, as we go throughout the new week and head closer to the 4th of July. Hard to believe that time of year is here already, but here we go. Tuesday, some cooler air going through the Great Lakes, making its way into Pennsylvania. Temperatures on Tuesday lower to even mid-70s for highs, but there will be some sunshine around, so kind of pleasant. A nice little break in the humidity that we had over the past couple of days. Temperatures will cool off once again for the day on Tuesday. Now, as we get into Wednesday, this trough fairly transient. It will keep moving along. So as we get into Wednesday, this will begin to pull its way through parts of Canada. For us, it's basically a zonal flow, and eventually that zonal flow is going to tap some warmer air back onto parts of the plains. Temperatures back in this area for the middle of the week, rising up through the 80s and 90s, and some of that will begin to ooze its way out towards Pennsylvania just in time for the 4th of July. So Wednesday, temperatures start to moderate already. We'll start to climb back into the upper 70s to around 80 degrees. By Thursday, that trough is up in the parts of Canada. For us, like I said, a basically west to east flow, maybe slightly to the northwest, but the temperatures back in this area where our weather is going to be coming from, like I said, really going to start to boil up into the 80s and 90s, and humidity levels will be climbing as well. So warmer times will come right back in, it looks like. For Friday itself, the 4th of July, we will have a little bit of weakness working through parts of Iowa, making its way into the Great Lakes for Friday morning. And we'll watch this as it tracks its way off to the south and east as we head into Friday afternoon, Friday night. The potential is there for a couple of storms. Again, this is a good ways off, but the potential is there, at least right now, for a couple storms to fire up later on the 4th of July and into the evening and nighttime hours. But a lot of heat continues to build off to the south and west, and that heat is very close by all the way through Saturday. We'll look at precipitation coming up.